Good morning, guys. It is 6 in the morning and I'm on my way to drop off this kid. It is raining and freezing today and there's currently a big accident, which is why I'm leaving super early than usual. So yeah, let's get this bread. We just got to work. My hair looks messy. I'm at a 7-Eleven stop. And there's Michelle. Some agua? Agua. It's lunchtime. Time to fuck it up. Not really. And I have Marissa. Fuck it up. It's lit. I'm on the clock. Let's go see what everybody's doing in the kitchen.
Can I steal some paper from Dr. Fernandez?
No! No, Fabi. Don't steal our paper.
Dr. Fernandez at work?
No, don't let her steal paper. Pizza delivery. Hi. I got that already. Oh my god. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you, Cassie.
Thank you, Cassie.
Stop taking a picture of me.
Thank you, Cassie. Who brought donuts?
I don't know.
Can I have some of yours and not Crystal? Because she's gonna get upset with me.
Why?
Why? What'd you do to Crystal?
Nothing.
Whatever.
I'm nice.
Crystal.
They're mad because I came with you today.
Haters. God, they can't share one of their carpool buddies?
No, I don't like sharing.
You guys heard it here first.
I do not like sharing.
Oh.
It's an exclusive.
Oh.
Do not like sharing.
I'm being attacked.
I don't get nothing. Don't worry, Natalie. You're not the only one.
Share.
I do not share anything.
Michelle was very kind today and carpooled with me because it was raining. And so that way I wasn't stuck in traffic by myself, sad, bored.
I'm just gonna have one big piece.
She came with me. God damn, it's a big old piece.
Don't fucking judge me. I haven't eaten.
What about your M&M cookie, huh?
It's just bigger than my head.
What head?
M&M cookie.
Right?
While they eat their pizza, I'm gonna have Imaru-chan. Cute nails, but they're out of focus. Can I focus? Okay. Hey. 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 Crystal. 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 You gotta be nice to my buddy, okay? She was being a trooper with me today.
I don't care. She can go back and be a trooper with you after work.
That's not fair for her.
Unless it's an emergency.
It was an emergency. There was a lot of traffic.
No. Well.
I am finally done for the day. It's like 6:40. No, not 6:40. 5:40. Been looking pale as hell. Oh. So yeah, how was everyone's day today? Mine was pretty busy. Not too bad. I'm tired though. Still gotta drive all the way home. Ugh, gonna get so much traffic because it's still raining outside. Everybody said that you looked really mad in my last vlog. Can you tell people that you were just tired?
I was tired, y'all. I was fucking pooped. I was on 1 hour sleep. I was tired. I'm so tired. But if y'all think I was mad, this was for you.
Say hi. Everybody was asking how you're feeling. Are you feeling better? Yeah? He's too busy right now. But yes, as you guys can tell, I am now home. Damn, I look white as hell in this lighting. But now we're just gonna chill the rest of the night, watch 8 Mile. It's almost finishing though. And need to edit this vlog real quick and put it up for you guys. I love your outfit today. You look so handsome. Bravo!
You just get better, baby. Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, what up with this?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Wait, calm down first. What? Alright, I'm coming home, alright? Just take it easy. Take it easy, I'm gonna be there in a minute. What's up, man? What's going on? Huh? Sonny here yet? Sonny! Mitch!
What happened?
Man?
Where'd snacks go?
Who gave this to you? What's this, a joke?
Oh shit.
Where's this nigga Ice?
Alright guys, I am ending the vlog here. Hope everyone had an amazing day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.